Ano to? CR. Wow. Oh, maganda yung medyo madumi lang yung mga ano. Parang luma na siya. Horse.
Nice hockey there. Nice hockey. Ha? Damo? Ibang kulay.
Ay, flower yan eh.
Di ako green ngayon. Flower. Ganda lang.
Donut mill. Ganda. May golfing range. Lalaki din yata ito eh. Oo. Ay.
Babies are awesome. It's for babies.
And it's real. It's cold. Why is there dark?
Celestia's Wagon. Patingin nga. Wow, ganda naman ang baby girl. Oo.
Look, another wagon.
A few moments later.
Ano yan?
Pang ano?
Wait! Mom, this looks like a dressing. What?
Oo nga.
Damit nila. Pang ano?
Hindi, meron siyang ganito. Yung dala niya ngayon, kamukhanin. Ipo 5 lang eh. Kaya nga, mas mura pa.
Which one?
Ito, hindi mo nilagay doon. Mickey Mouse.
It says $16 for Mickey.
Ito, stripes. Ito, stop video. Hi guys! Vacation mode tayo today. At today ay day 1 ng aming vacation dito sa Calgary. So, galing kami ng Cross Iron Mill. At shopping dun kami nag-lunch. At ngayon, papunta kami sa kanyang apartment. So, titignan namin. Pasyalan natin guys. Yung kanyang apartment na magkano yun? 600. Ha?
Airbnb namin.
Dada mo na. Pala kami ng Airbnb kung saan kami mag-stay kasi yung apartment niya hindi pwedeng mag-stay yung mga like mag-sleep over. Sige Sige, tingnan mo natin ang view dito. Dito pala yung Airbnb namin. Their destination will be on the right. So, magkano tong Airbnb natin? 300 a day. Buong bahay ba to? Ano? So, kailangan meron kang sasakyan dito. Destination is on the right. Destination is on the right. Oh, 140. That's our house. Wow.
What? Wait, the whole house?
Yes.
Yay! But that's someone's house, right? Oh, so we just went. Mommy, she wants to get out.
Okay, come here, bebe. O, the other side na lang.
Other side.
Para mabilis.
Dad, what's the title?
Wait. Celestia, wow, remove your shoes first.
Sister, put your shoes here.
Nice house.
Sister, put your shoes and put it there.
Okay, so I will do the house tour first. Okay, we have a basement, but first let's go here. Celestia, you can walk. Oh, look. Wow, this is the dining. Ay, the sala. Living room. And the TV is there. Oh, there's a toy. Celestia, there's a toy. May toy. Oh, ang ating kitchen. May trash bin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga... May dishwashing. Wala yatang plato ah. Ah, hindi. May mga kaldero. Ayun na, may mga tasa. Oh, may coffee. May salt. May coffee, oh. May plato. May microwave. O, tama-tama may microwave. Ref. O, ilagay dito yung mga ilalagay sa ref. May oven. Ay, may rice cooker. Yes. Yay. Bibili naman tayo ng rice. May rice cooker. May towels. Ano to? CR. Wow. Oh, maganda yung... Medyo madumi lang yung mga ano. Parang luma na siya. Ah, okay. And the bedroom. Nice. Oh. May electric fan.
I think the floor is not.
Is there a pull out? Ay, hindi. Parang pang hospital yung bed. Okay.
Wow, also, looks like a maze. And also the floor is not white.
Good. Puti na lang, hindi white. Okay. So, this is the 0.5 because this is just a toilet. Kasama ba yung basement? Tatanungin?
No, they lock it.
Oy. Nakalock pala yung door doon. You want your own bed?
No.
Wow.
Wait, are we allowed to go to that building over there? No.
Oh.
My baby's so sleepy.
Okay, let's look here
Oh,
on.
there's sweet house. Yeah, glass.
Oh, wow. Sarado to. Okay.
Oh, there's a thing right here. Oh wait. Ooh, basement. Oh, that's it.
Dyan yung exit, other door nila ng, separate entrance ng basement.
Oh, it's this.
Ayan may windows. Hindi, sa kanila yan. Let's go.
Oh, my feet.
Ching!
Sorry, trash under.
A few moments later.
Hi! Nandito na kami sa bahay.
Wow.
My love. Oh. Okay.
Oh. Whoa.
Aray. We are going to see Daddy's house. There's the family coming over. Sugod bahay. Sugod bahay, Celestia. My plants. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. It's open. Daddy's. Wow. Hmm?
It's a piano. That only has one room.
Meron tao sa baba. May-ari. Yung may-ari.
Your door is because they're dito.
Ano to number ng apart, kung kaninong gamit?
Siguro.
Turn off the cold. There's nothing in there.
Sino ba yan?
It's just one.
May air fryer ka pala dito eh. May oven toaster. Coffee maker. Microwave. Mga pang Celestia panglinis. Bring your own.
Ay.
That's your room.
Oh, that's
Saan to galing? Sa kanila to?
Hindi, bumili ako.
Bumili ka.
Oo. Mura nga eh.
Oh, and the others are different.
Huh?
And the other rooms
Oh, different. There's no one there.
So.
I'm the only one here.
Ang liit lang naman yung table
Mas malaki naman yan sa table sa sa atin. Mas
Where's the bathroom?
Sarado to?
Hindi, bukas mo.
So, ito guys yung sarado eh. Ay, bukaso. Ay,
Ayan, sarado. Oo, dapat sarado.
may gamit eh.
Ha?
May gamit.
Buksan.
That's cool. There's also.
May tao ba doon?
Oo.
CR.
Ay, pala ko eh. Ano yung sahig?
Brown.
Pala.
Here, there's someone new, Daddy, because there's a new shoe.
Yes, I know. Maybe the owner. I'm Chris, by the way.
I'm Martin. Nice to meet you.
Can you
Okay lang yun. Ay, meron.
Oh, dyan yung ano, yung
Ah, ito
room
yung
dyan.
sinasabi mo.
Oh, yung room dyan. Bibili nga ako ng ano eh. Ay, ano pangalan niya ano? Ay, what's your name? Martin. Martin. And you're Chris. Hello, how are you guys?
Friend niya yun.
Ah, siguro. Huh? You can...
Ang ganda ng backyard, oh. May ganito. Yung door, yung room dyan, can go here.
Yeah, 700 dyan eh. Kailangan nung gawin ko dyan, ako lang mag-isa rito. Pwede ako. Hindi natin ang tao. Dyan.
What are you doing?
Ha?
What? Ano sabi ni si Bianca?
No, it's just, we're talking about a game.
Sinilas niya. Give her slippers.
Wait, be careful, Celeste.
Lamig sa basement, no? Ah, dito. Yung laundry.
Oh, it's cold now.
Saan?
Yan, siya dito.
Dito?
Meron dyan.
Ay, ano tong isang room? Ay, may kitchen na maliit.
Oh, siya is...
CR to.
Billy's bed.
There's a ref. Ah, so parang ito yung dining.
Nang nakatira.
Ito may nakatala dyan.
Yung anak.
Ah.
Okay, let's go up.
Shh, may tao dyan.
Okay, let's get the tabo.
Basement is colder. Number.
Is that like who owns it?
Maybe. Oo, my love. Siguro kaya may number.
Oh, sa room 1, 2, 3, no?
Mm-mm.
Tingin ba natin?
House rules. Oh, wipe surfaces, stove counters, clean microwave, wash, shovel, both apply salt if sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming, garbage. Oh, may house rules. 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. quiet time, minimum volume. We will have weekly rotating. Kisame ako. Kisame. Parang ano siya? Yung open talaga siya.
Para, you know, para pag maaraw, save ng energy.
Oo nga.
Pag gabi, pag wala na, yan, may ilaw ito. Yan, that's it.
Pero kung umaga tapos gusto mong madilim, paano yun?
Eh, di wag ka dito.
Hindi.
Hindi takal mo.
Pag gusto mong maging...
Yung design eh. Hindi gawa ka na ng pang ganun.
Kokovera mo lang, no?
Parang sa kotse pa yung... meron.
Ganda ng ganun. Pero uso naman yan dito eh. Kahit yung City Hall sa Edmonton, di ba? Mga glass. Uso yung mga glass dito kasi para mag-save. Bakit di ganun sa Pilipinas?
A few moments later.
Daddy's office.
Yung restaurant na mura. Tayo restaurant.
Kumain ka na dyan?
Mura.
Picture dito, Tito.
Picture.
Celestia. Ano yung Celestia? Feel na feel mo naman itsura mo, Celestia. Ang basura. Basura.
Oh, it fell out.
It is, anong oras na? Alam mo naman Apple Watch.
Oh wait, no, 10:04. 10:04.
10:04. Bakit kung mo nag-play yung music? I-stop mo nga yun. Stephen Avenue. kami first.
Ma'am, gabi-gabi meron dito.
Ha?
Gabi-gabi to.
Oo. Want it that way. Tell me what it. Ay, binita. Mahal ng couples hat. 2 for 70 and 2 for 50. Ay, it's closing. It's closing na. Wow. Oo. Mamaya wala ng bata. Nakidnap. Horse.
Nice hospital. Nice one.
Right on. Naiwan eh. Cowboys hat. Huh?